Hey everybody, as I give you a window into the random thoughts of my mind, something that's been on my mind lately is a conversation I had with a patient where she told me she felt disappointed that she'd had CoolSculpting done at another office when she should have just had a tummy tuck because that's what would have fixed her muscle separation. I asked her if she had seen a plastic surgeon and she said no, she went to an office that didn't have one on site. My recommendation to those of you and my inspiration for this post is that you be informed. If you're thinking about how you can get rid of bulges and extra tissue in different places, it's important you see someone who can weigh the pros and cons, who can tell you what your anatomy can safely tolerate, and most importantly, what are realistic expectations from some of these minimally invasive options. That is why I wrote this blog post, and that is why I recommend you see a plastic surgeon, whether you're thinking about something as simple and straightforward as CoolSculpting or something as involved as a tummy tuck. Come and see us.